Seated rows. This compound exercise, done on a seated position, targets the rhomboids, trapezius, latissimus dorsi, teres major, posterior deltoid, and biceps brachii muscles. Sit on the floor or a mat on a long leg sitting position. If this position is uncomfortable for the back of your thigh or your low back, you may modify your position by slightly bending your hips and your knees. Position your trunk that it remains upright during the entire exercise. Grab both ends of the resistive band with both hands and position the middle portion of the band on the soles of both feet. Make adjustments by taking off unnecessary slack. Starting position is with the shoulders flexed forward at around 45 degrees, elbows extended, forearms and wrist in neutral. Pull the band by flexing the elbows and bringing the shoulders into hyperextension, while at the same time squeezing the shoulder blades and depressing the shoulders. Be mindful of the shoulders that it should not shrug at any time during the exercise. Control the movement as you go back to the original position. Remember to choose the right color of the band to suit the amount of resistance needed.